Hi, it's Vias Taro. Okay, all signs. So, check natin ano ba yung emosyon ni person mo by next week pagdating sa iyo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And yes, if you're interested na magpa-reading, okay, sa aking friend, o diba? Ito yung kanyang FB page. So, chat nyo lang siya dyan, message nyo lang siya dyan, and yes, don't forget to follow. Okay? So, yeah, thank you. Okay, and regarding sa ating bracelet, yes, this is always available. Oo. So, yeah, buti pa to available. Oo. Di tulad ng person nyo. Ay, okay. So, oh, 'di ba? Oo, in red and black, always available. And yes, kung may tanong, message lang no sa akin pong FB page for more info about this and this. Okay, so this is our evil eye ring. Oo, so available siya by next week. So I guess tawag diyan, kuha lang kayo ng details o baka malay natin, o 'di ba? Makakuha kayo ng slot. Oo. So, there. Let's start. All signs. Okay. So, emosyon. Yes, madalian lamang na reading. Check lang ng emosyon nila pagdating sa'yo by next week. O, diba? So, there. Okay. Aries. Ano emosyon niya by next week? Pagdating sa'yo, emosyon ng person na iniisip mo. The Sun in reverse. Pwedeng Leo. The Four of Chalices. They feel ignored. Feeling ignored. Okay? Sad. Andyan yung pwedeng, mayroon ditong energy na pwedeng namimiss ka niya. They're in their emotions. Mga ganyan. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng hindi ka nito papansinin. Wala kang maririnig from them. Okay? Why? Some of them kasi pwedeng maigo. Hindi papatalo. Kung hindi mo to pinapansin, hindi rin to papatalo, no? Yes. Okay, so pwedeng Leo, pwedeng water sign. There. Next. Okay. Taurus. Oh, diba? May matching ubo, oh, diba? Okay, Taurus. Ano ang kanilang emosyon by next week pagdating sa'yo? Taurus. Diba? Hindi na wala yung ubo natin. Okay. The Lovers in reverse. Temperance. Waiting na makipag balikan. Waiting na magkaroon ng reconnection by next week. Itong taong to. Yes. Yeah. May love pa. May love pa. The moon, pwedeng tago ang emosyon. Yes. May emosyon. Yes. May love pa pagdating sa'yo. And yes, gusto nitong makipagbalikan. But, hindi nila gagawin yun. They're just like waiting. Being patient pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Okay, yes, meron ditong separation. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng hindi mo pa siya nakaka-connect. Okay? Pwedeng itong person na to is hindi mo pa nakaka-connect, pero gusto niya ng connection with you. Okay? Always there. Parang ganyan. By next week for you. Gemini. Okay. Ano emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo by next week? King of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Chalices. Pwedeng mag-reach out itong taong to by next week. Yes. Pero, hindi siya mag-reach out to settle the issue, kung may issue. Okay? Gusto nitong makita, malaman kung ano yung emotion mo for them. If you're always like available, mga ganyan, or always present pa rin para sa kanila. Okay? Pero pagdating sa issue, kung may issue, hindi nila para i-settle down or gawa ng tawag dyan, i-resolve. Okay? Walang ganun. Next. Cancer. Ano emosyon ni person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo, Cancer? Ten of Pentacles, Four of Chalices. Pwedeng busy, focus ng taong to is pera, trying to ignore you. They will try to ignore you. Okay, yes. Pasensya na po ha sa aking ubo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Strength is here, holding back their emotions. Some of them, nandyan yung anong tawag dito? Magde-daydream. Okay, may pagde-daydream pagdating sa kanya. Iniisip ka actually. Pero yeah, focus nila ngayon ay kaperahan. Okay? Mas pinipili nito kung ano yung dapat, kung anong tama. Okay, next. Leo. Leo, ano bang emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo next week? Okay. Leo. Knight of Chalices in reverse. No actions. Okay. Ten of Swords. Talagang kung may ending, wala silang gagawin. Hayaan lang nila yung ending. Okay? Hayaan lang nila yung separation if ever. Kung may third party, hindi ito pipili. Some of you, may pagbabackstab dito para siyang kakonect mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay? And yes, open itong taong to pagdating sa iba. Yeah. Pero, kung ito naman, may nangyari ng separation, yeah, wala naman silang gagawin pagdating sa sitwasyon. Pero, may energy dito na gusto nilang mag-reach out. Gusto nilang mangumusta. Gusto kang makita. Yeah. Ooh, freeze. Third party. Hang on. Okay. Okay, there. Next. Virgo. Anong emosyon ni person mo sa'yo by next week? Virgo. Three of Wands in reverse. Knight of Swords. Being cold and detached. Cold and detached. Silent. Being happy. Kung may separation, being happy without you. Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, mas pinipili niya yun. Dahil nagkakaroon siya ng, mas sabihin natin, mas nagiging okay siya. Ba't ganun? Every time na magsasalita ako, inuubo ko. I don't know. Pero pag hindi naman ako nag-film, wala naman yung ubo. Nakakainis. Oo. Yeah, so yun yung nakikita ko for you, Virgo, no? Sabihin natin hindi ka masyadong pagpapansinin ng taong to by next week. As simple as that. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Dropping you or parang walang pakialam sa'yo. Totally. Totally. Okay? Next, Libra. Anong emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo by next week? Okay. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. Uy, gustong-gusto kong kausapin ito. Pero hindi nila gagawin. Hindi sila parang papaalam sa'yo na, or papaalam nga talaga sa'yo na parang gustong-gusto nila. Okay? Gustong-gusto nila, pero hindi sila papahalata. Yeah. Yeah, being careful. The Fool in reverse. Being careful pagdating sa emosyon nila. But yes, they want you, they need you, they like you, they want to commit. As simple as, talagang gustong-gusto ka by next week. Pero, hindi mo makikita sa action, sa salita. They're guarded. Okay, they're guarded. Okay, next. Scorpio. Scorpio, ano ang emosyon nila by next week pagdating sa'yo? Scorpio. Okay. Six of Chalices, they miss you. The Four of Swords. But yes, hinahayaan lang yung sarili nila na hindi ka maalala. Okay? Andyan yung gugustuhin ka 1 minute, and then after, parang mabubisit sila sa sarili nila dahil lagi ka nilang naiisip. Ayaw nilang maiisip ka, pero yes, namimiss ka. Okay? Yeah. Ganun ka vulnerable. Pwede maging vulnerable ito sa'yo. Yung makikita mo talaga, actually. Miss ka. Pwedeng mangungumusta, pero parang makikita mo parang wala naman. Trying to reach out, pero wala namang importante. Pero hindi naman maglateral or parang magtatagal yung convo ninyo, like that. May miss ka. Yun lang. Okay? There. Next. Sagittarius. Ano emosyon sa'yo ng person na iniisip mo by next week? I saw 12-12 sa time. Check ninyo kung ano meron. 12-12. Angel number 12-12. Ito ako nabubulol. Sag, 5 of Pentacles, the 7 of Pentacles. Oh, talaga naman. So much pain. So much drama. Ang nakikita ko sa taong to. They're like waiting in vain. Still invested pagdating sa'yo. They feel needy. They want you. Some of them, talagang, they'll bury themselves sa work para hindi ka nila maalala, maisip. Yes. Susubsub nila yung sarili nila, no, sa trabaho by next week. Yeah. Okay? So there. Yeah. They want you. They like you. They need you by next week. Okay, next, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, ano ang kanilang emosyon by next week pagdating sa'yo? Oops. King of Chalices in reverse, Knight of Swords. King of Chalices in reverse, this is being immature emotionally. Okay? The Knight of Swords, this is communication. Maybe, they want to communicate by next week, pero hindi nila alam kung paano. Like, hindi sila magiging vulnerable emotionally. Okay? But yes, they want to talk. They want to communicate. They want to connect by next week sa'yo, Capricorn. Yeah, this is communication, the Page of Pentacles. Okay? Some of you, ikaw ang hinihintay nito na mag-reach out. Yeah, they want you. Yeah, the Nine of Chalices in reverse, they want you. They like you. A lot. Pero hindi nila ipapakita yung totoong emosyon. Okay? Yeah. The Emperor is here. So maybe, the ego. The ego. Next. Aquarius. Yeah. Aqua, anong emosyon ni person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo? Aqua. One more. There you go. Okay. Emosyon niya sa'yo, Aqua. Queen of Swords, detached and cold. Pwedeng Libra or air sign like you. The Devil. Ooh. Okay, so nandito yung parang ang toxic nito. Gulong-gulo to. Kung hindi kayo mag-uusap nito by next week, ang dami nitong iisipin. Ang dami. Okay? Some of you may separation dito. Hindi ito, sabihin natin re-renta ka sa utak ng taong to by next week ng libre. Maninirahan ka sa utak ng taong to ng libre by next week. Ha? Okay? Yes. Ito yung parang gustong-gustong mag-reach out din. Kasi gustong-gusto ka, the Devil. Queen of Swords, may mga gustong sabihin, pero bakit ganun hindi niya kayang gawin? Sobrang cold, sobrang silent. May takot. May takot na mag-reach out. Okay? So, maybe they're trying to avoid drama. Okay? Lahat ng hindi magandang possibilities. Iwasan nila yun. Oo. Next, Pisces. Ano emosyon ng taong iniisip mo by next week pagdating sa'yo? Anong iniisip niya? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Yeah, big help yan sa channel. Okay? Pisces, anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo by next week? The Emperor. Ego. Super ego. The Emperor, the Sun. This is both Aries. Aries placements. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay? Wala kang mapapala sa taong to. Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, masuunahin niya yung ego niya. Masuunahin niya yung pride niya. Yes. Alam mo bakit? Pwede kasing ikaw, alam ng taong to na sa pagmamatigas niyang gagawin by next week, ikaw ang gagawa ng way para maging okay yung sitwasyon nyo. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry kung ganun palagi ang nangyayari sa inyo. Kailangan mong baliin ang paniniwala ng taong ito. Yeah. Wala, I don't know. Parang nasanay ito sa'yo eh. Na-spoiled. Spoiled brat. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Pagmamatigas by next week ang nakikita ko sa taong to pagdating sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, yun po, ang ating reading for all signs. So, thank you. Bye.